Well, welcome back to my channel, Ashton Drake Live. Tonight is the night where finally, because there's plenty of houses out decorated. I told you guys that. I'm gonna take baby Kassie out. I wanna go there at Christmas lights. Who's excited? Give a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm gonna get her all decked out and Christmas. I do have her in her jammies, but I do want to feed her, change her diaper, and get her all Christmassy. Yeah, and we're gonna go out and go to Christmas lights. Yeah, her baby Kassie. Oh, really? She seems excited. Oh, I know you're excited. Yeah, I'm just taking her this time. Yeah, you excited? Yeah, Mommy's gonna take you out to see the Christmas lights. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, it's evening time, but I want to take her for gets to bedtime. But I am gonna take more of the babies out. But no, I figured I'd take baby Kassie out. Yeah, tonight. She's so excited, but I do want to get her all Christmassy looking and feed her and change her diaper and all that. So I'm gonna put her on the swing when I make her bottle. Yeah, she's a good girl. Okay, baby Kassie. Mommy's gonna go make you a baba, okay? Yeah, it's cold tonight as well. So, but no, Mommy's gonna go make her a baba. Come on the swing here. Okay, yeah, she's being good. I'm gonna go make her a bottle and get her fed. So cute. Okay, well, let's make baby Kassie a bottle. I'm gonna put 4 ounces. That way she leaves some, it's okay. Cause I'm plan on, taking it the leftovers, on bandit ones out. I'm not out. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, he need to go out to go potty. But no, I do plan on, putting the, whatever, if she leaves any, in the car seat. Okay. Matter of fact, I made this go ahead and put 5. Just to be on the safe side. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Give her a couple more ounces. Yeah, and I never give her 5 yet before. So if she gets hungry, when we're not here in the car looking at Christmas lights, she has some. So yeah, I did go ahead and put 5. But it has been a while since she ate last, so. Yeah, I went ahead and filled the full bottle and it's about 5 ounces. So now let's go feed the baby girl and get it all ready to go. Baby Kassie. Mommy has your papa. You being good in the swing, huh? Let's get you out so Mommy can feed and then look at the Christmas lights. Yeah. Just turn this off. Yeah, Mommy wants to feed you so you be nice and full. Come here, little girl. Okay. Well, let's feed her bottle. I did get a thing to burp and a bib. It's a boy bib, but let's get to it. I just grab, as long as it does the job. Huh. Then after that, change her diaper and get her all fixed for, you know, Christmas. Huh? Are you hungry, girl? Yeah, right now I just have her, yeah, in her jammies, all ready for bed. So if she does fall asleep in the car seat, it'd be easier to transfer her to the car seat to, you know, the bassinet. Here you go, baby Kassie. There you go. Yeah, she's excited to go look at Christmas lights. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday. Yeah, I got myself all decked out, but I knew I wanted to feed her, yeah, and change her diaper. Then I'll get her all decked out. And I'm gonna keep her pajamas on and put like a Christmas outfit on top. That was more, you know, just more warm, cause it's cold outside. And we don't need no babysit, you know, this time of year. For Christmas, we don't need that. Yeah, I'm gonna put a hat on her and stuff, and everything, get it all nice and warm. Well, she's just sucking away. Baby Kassie. Yeah, it has been a while since she ate last, so yeah, I knew it was about time for a bottle. But yeah, again, whatever she leaves, I do plan on taking that with me. That way she gets hungry in the car. That's why I went ahead and put 5. If I wasn't going anywhere tonight, I would put 3 or 4, something like that. But I went ahead and put that 5 ounces. And they don't drink 5. They don't. So I probably put a few ounces extra on purpose. Yeah, she's still sucking away. She was one hungry girl. My hat's kind of falling off, and I can't fix it. I'm holding her bottle. Mama can't fix her hat. But yeah, I got all decked out on Christmas because we're gonna go look at Christmas lights. We got to be all decked out in Christmas spirit, huh? She is just going to town on this bottle. You stop sucking. She did end up leaving that 2 ounces. So that's perfect. I'll just take that along, and if she gets hungry in the car, that, you know, keep her, you know, till we get back home. Swipe your little face. Yeah. So that was perfect. And I could fix my hat. No, but no, that's perfect that way. Give her a couple ounces if we're not back yet. If she's, you know, getting fussy or stuff like that. Oh, baby Kassie. So no, I'm gonna do the math here. So I put 5 ounces total. So no, she did drink her normal 3 ounces then. But it's okay. Mommy did that on purpose so we would, you know, take it with us in the car. Yeah, I knew, she probably wouldn't drink the whole thing. Now after this, change that diaper first, get a nice clean one on, and get her all fancy out of Christmas, and then we get you in the car seat. Huh? We go look at Christmas lights? Mommy's not getting a board. Kassie. Oh, good, finally. That was a good one. Now I always double check just to be on the safe side. Don't need, you know, any tummy aches. I'm not getting another one. Yeah, it depends again if they have solid foods, how many ounces I give them. But no, she had her normal 3 ounces. But I'm not getting another one. Oh, but look at the spit up, Kathy. So you were full. Yeah, you know the full when they leave some, and if you know a butt, you know, after the butt or something, and they give you spit up. Yes. But from here, I'm gonna change this little girl's diaper and get her all dressed fancy up for Christmas. And then we go look at Christmas lights. Are you excited, baby Kassie? Are you guys excited? Let me know, comment down below. Are you guys excited? Who is that? Oh, it's Breezy. Breezy! She's moving, you guys. But now let's go change this little girl's diaper. Oh, I know, baby Kassie. She's just happy that she's going to go look at Christmas lights. Yeah. Yeah, you just happy, girls? Yeah, I know. She's so happy we're going to go look at Christmas lights finally. But it's been about 5-10 minutes or so later after I got done feeding her. I got clean diaper and wipes, and I got this little Christmas outfit. I'm just gonna put it over her pajamas. Again, if she does fall asleep in the car seat, it's easier to, and she can always sleep in it, or careful, just take it off because it's cold outside. And I did get a hat. I do plan on making her nice and toasty and warm. But let's change that diaper. Whoopsie! Let's take off the bib because I want to put on the Christmas outfit. Oh, I know. She's just in a talkative mood this evening. Yes, you are, little girl. Did you give mommy a surprise? You know what? I do plan on keeping this on. And this is one of those 3, two-way pieces. It's easier to change at nighttime. It is too. I know. She's in a talkative mood. Yeah, I knew I was gonna take, babies out to go to get lights. I just had to wait for my house to start, getting decorated. There wasn't enough houses to mention when I brought it up to you guys. Now there is. Did you give mommy a surprise? That's just wet. No, it's just wet. Huh, baby Kassie. Okay. With that. Okay. Well, let's put on a clean diaper on this little girl. Okay. Got that wet one off. Hi, baby Kassie. So got her tummy nice and good. Her diaper's clean again. Now it's time to fix up the Christmas outfit. Yeah, again, I am leaving her jammies on. That way, it's again, she falls asleep that, and it's awfully on the cold side tonight. There we go. Okay, now after I put the Christmas outfit on, I'll put the bib back on. Yes, it's gonna look like Christmas, Claus. Yeah, I get the car seat, huh? Baby Kassie. Yeah, she's nice and warm. If I keep her, jammies on. Now, do you plan on taking off her head, her little headband and putting a hat on her? Here we go. Okay, well, she's all ready. I just need to zip up her Christmas little outfit. What? I know you're excited, huh? Are you excited? Let's put the bib back on because you just ate. Yeah. I know. Come on, little girl. Here, she's all Christmassy. Whoops, Mommy lost her hat. I'm always losing the hat. Now, I do plan on putting, her green hat on. But how does she look with the Santa hat? You got Mommy's Santa hat. She's excited to go look at Christmas lights. Doesn't she look cute in Mommy's Christmas hat? Yeah, no, I have her own little hat right here. I'm gonna put on her, and it's green. It matches, the Christmas. Actually, it doesn't matter really what color, as long as it keeps her, head nice and warm, her ears. Yes, but let's take off Mommy's hat. Okay, Mommy put it back on her. Take off, her little headband. This mommy put on your hat. Yes, huh, baby Kassie? Keep you all nice and warm. How does she look in her hat? They can't peekaboo. There we go. Cover up those ears. But how does she look? She's all tucked down her Christmas stuff. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put her back in the swing for a second. Will you guys keep an eye on her? I'll get the car seat really quick. Yeah. Fix her up in the car seat, buckle her in. Because we're gonna go look at Christmas lights. So excited. Give a thumbs up if you're excited. Okay, let's put her in the swing from here. Okay. Yeah. She's all good. Yeah, I need to go get the car seat. Yes. And I'm gonna take this blanket as well for, keep them more warm. Okay. Well, you guys keep an eye on her for me, okay? I'll be right back. I'll get the car seat. Baby Kassie, Mommy's back. Well, how'd she do? I got the car seat and all ready to put her in the car seat and let's go look at Christmas lights. Okay. Thanks. I appreciate you guys keeping an eye on her for me. I want to get the car seat. Okay, let's get the car seat. Buckle you in. Okay, I am gonna take this blanket as well. Like I said, yeah, I want more, warm. Okay, here it is. The car seat. Are you ready, baby Kassie? There. Okay, let's buckle you in. Yeah, we're gonna go look at Christmas lights. Who's excited? There we go, got that one buckled. Okay, well, she's almost. One more. There we go. Well, she's in, but I do want to take, if you have a couple blankets there, cover her up. Yeah, we're gonna go look at Christmas lights, huh? And that one that she's in for the swing, I'm gonna use that one. A little warmer. Doesn't she look nice and warm? Because it is cold outside. It's very on the cold side. I think I'm gonna keep a little hands in as well, because these don't have, this little Christmas outfit don't have, you can cover the hands. So I'm gonna keep a little hands in as well. Okay. And here's that bottle so you didn't finish. But no, she's all ready to go. Okay, so let's go look at Christmas lights. You ready? She doesn't need this really because there's no sun. But no, let's go look at Christmas lights. They will see you outside from here. Let's go. Okay, well, we made it outside. And there she is. She's all ready to get in the car. You see the Christmas lights, huh? From Mommy's house? Look. You see the Christmas lights? Okay, let's get in the car and let's go look at these Christmas lights. Look at that, Maverick! I see the Grinch. Oh, look up in the window. That's cool. There's a shooting snowflake. Cool. Why are you saying your toes are cold? Oh, Santa Claus. Oh, there's a Santa up here on the roof. Cool, look at that! Pretty, huh? Well, that's pretty. Maverick is a giant Grinch. You see the Grinch? He's a mean one. Mr. Grinch. Mr. Grinch. Are we looking at Christmas lights, Maverick? Yes, there comes some more. Yeah, more pretties. Pretty. Oh, that's a pretty wreath on the door. Do you see that house, Maverick? They did good. This house. You and Chewy? Do you see the houses, Maverick? Oh, look at the Christmas tree. Oh, the big candy cane. Santa Claus! It's a kitty and a dog. I see the Grinch again. Did you see it? Yeah, this is a pretty one. Look at this one, a snowman. Pretty. Okay. Hurt your finger again? Oh, here comes a pretty house.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. That's not the good. Yeah, no, the dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Oh my God.
Santa Claus on the roof. How pretty. That wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be.
Hi, Mama. Hi, baby.
Ooh, look at that house. Hi, Matthew.
These big
Santa Claus.
See that, baby?
Wow. Walking.
You don't do
You
that.
can do it in your feet, rather.
I could do both.
You need to go up to the roof part.
I can just imagine how much electricity bill is.
Oh, humongous.
Yeah. Just for Christmas, too.
And get this thing that you walk through.
How about it says You could tell them what you want.
Okay, well, we're back. There she is. It is very cold, so I went ahead and, took the whole blanket and one up. But here she is. She's still awake. She had fun in the car looking at the Christmas lights. Oh, baby Kassie. Well, it's cold out here, but we'll see you inside from here. Yeah, it's too cold. We need to bring baby Kassie inside. Yeah, let's go. But there she is. She had tons of fun looking at all the pretty houses. She never did finish at 2 ounces. So I think we've been gone for an hour or so, hour and a half, somewhere in there. I think it's gone bad. What do you think? Yeah, so next time she needs a bottle, a new one. Yeah, that formula gone bad. But I took it. It wasn't bad when I brought it with us. But I bought it just to be on the safe side. She's all nice and warm still. Mommy kept her all nice and warm. That's why I kept her pajamas on as well. Let's put the Christmas outfit on top of her jammies. Kids, get out. Look at Kassie. Yeah, no cries and nothing. She was just looking at the pretty lights. Bring you guys over here so you can see. Well, anyway, no, she had fun. Huh? You had fun. She's probably getting sleepy because the whole hour, about an hour, hour and a half, somewhere in that area. No sleep. She was just wide awake, looking at all the pretties, like the Christmas tree. Do you see the Christmas tree all pretty? She's looking at the Christmas tree. Is that for Christmas? This is her first Christmas. That's what I'm saying. I did plan on taking her and her brother and sister. I plan on taking, so you don't want to miss those two as well. But I figured I'll take her, But she's looking at the Christmas lights. On the Christmas tree. She has her eyes on the Christmas tree. Yes. She looks good. She loved Christmas lights. Huh? And she loved it. Again, no cries, nothing. And she did the best she could because I didn't take her out of the car or nothing. I kept her nice and warm and tucked in. But she's just looking at the Christmas tree. Yeah. You like that, huh? All the Christmas lights? She had fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I do plan on taking her brother and sister as well. I just had to wait before more houses got decorated, and as you've seen, we did go by, and that one house that goes all out. She's seen that house. It's beautiful, huh? She's got lots of snowmen and reindeers and Santa Clauses and loved it. And this is her first Christmas. This is her first Christmas, baby Kent's first Christmas, and baby Cassandra's first Christmas. So now I do plan on taking those two out to look at Christmas lights. Huh? But no, I guess let's just go from here though. Yeah, I thought I'd take you guys along. I'm sure you guys are waiting, when are the Christmas, to come take the babies out for Christmas lights. We decided to wait for some more houses to get decorated. And as you see, those more houses got decorated. But no. Oh, before we go, no. I do put these on Facebook as well. But yeah, like this video and comment on the video so I know who exactly is following me. But no, like this video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video when it gets uploaded. If you want, share any of the videos, I don't mind. But no, I guess let's go from here. Give this video a thumbs up. Say thumbs up, Cassie. Hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, we see you next time. Bye.